no way you're putting all this in my car. And there's no way you're bringing a bomb. Or anything that you would put in bombs in my car.
Fine. It's been rough for a couple of days.
One bag, one backpack.
So, as it turns out, not only is Rebecca a good partner, she also checks most of the boxes you want in a road trip plan. She's down for Punch Buggy. Like, really down. She can throw a jab. And she's more than willing to sing along when her favorite song comes on. We didn't hit our first hiccup until Virginia, but it was kind of a doozy.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
I've been thinking about shooting. Randy Joe Hawkins shot me from over 3,300 yards away. Her story. Not only does she make an impossible shot, but she doesn't want you sick.
Well, she was on NZT, right?
Yes, the shooter was on NBC, which is weird enough. There's not a lot of out there, but watching footage was more actual when it happened. I swear, it almost